Whoa, I like that. And if you guys don't use that much green, it won't actually look like it. Because if you want it to look like a little bit Grinch thing, then you can like totally like Santa will like that thing. Because of course we're going to send it or keep it in the house. Because it could maybe people think that they want to make it.
Okay. Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am Rose, and this is my little helper for today, Mia. Yeah. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make some delicious cookies, and this is going to be a kind of like twist to a Christmas cookie from the Home for Christmas holiday cookbook that I have. I'll link it down below. Go ahead and get yourself a copy if you haven't yet. You'll be seeing stuff like this along with a bunch of other stuff. I'm sure you will love. So today we're going to be making a Christmas cookie which is inspired by the movie The Grinch, and we went to see it a few days ago and loved it, or like 2 weeks ago actually, and loved it. So we're going to make some cookies. Let's get veggie. Alright, so we basically started the recipe all over again because this is like a experiment that we're doing here. And if it works, then you'll see the video, and if it doesn't work, you don't see the video. But I know it's going to work because this is from a recipe that I've already created. We're just tweaking a little. I'm actually going to be using, we have our flour. Hold on. We have our flour in our bowl already, and we're going to be adding our sugar. This is just granulated sugar instead of brown sugar, which the original recipe calls for, because we want these to be pretty and green, and if we do brown sugar, it's not going to look so cute. So mix that all up. We're also going to be adding our baking powder. So I'm just going to add our liquid ingredients right in. We're doing 2 tablespoons of almond milk. You can, of course, mix this all in a separate bowl and then mix it in together, but I've done it like this. It works fine. All right. We have our butter in here. This is half a cup of butter. Of course, this is non-dairy butter, vegan butter, because I know someone is bound to go, what? But you're vegan and you're using butter? Did she just say butter? I did say butter, but it is vegan. So, everyone, calm down. Or not everyone. A few of you guys, calm down. So, we're just mixing this all up.
Can I mix it?
Oh, we gotta add our color.
Yeah.
Alright. This is a gel food coloring, and I know not all food coloring is vegan. However, this is the Wilton gel food coloring, which is vegan. So if you use a food coloring, just make sure that it is vegan friendly. Just mix this all up until it becomes a nice dough. The dough, for some reason, still feels dry, so I'm just adding a little bit more milk. Now we got it. Alright, now it's looking really good.
Whoa, I like that.
So we're gonna get pieces.
I want to get pieces.
Just like this. Here, I'll give you a piece.
Okay.
And we're gonna roll the piece into a ball. Rolling it into a ball, and then we're gonna actually roll it. Hang on, one at a time. And then we're gonna roll it into some powdered sugar, which you can also find vegan options of. And then we're going to place it onto our cookie tray. And we're just going to continue to do this until they're completely all rolled. And then we're going to place into the oven 350 degrees. It's been preheated at 350 degrees. This is going to give you about 24 cookies.
Can I have another one?
Sure, give me 1 second. So we're back. The cookies are done. They've been cooling for a little bit. Mia is about, this is what they look like, very Grinchy. And Mia is about to try out one of them. They might be a little warm still, but they're not hot. Give it a try. Tell us what you think about these funny little Grinch cookies. Is it yummy? The little tiny bite? You can tell it is yummy with that little tiny bite.
You can taste it.
I'm drinking my shake. That's why I'm having you try it out.
It tastes good.
You want to try another bite?
Yeah.
So that's that, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and this video. Check out the link down below for the full recipe. And don't forget to tag me on Instagram using the hashtag Veggie Fam if you make this recipe or any of my other recipes. I would love to see what you made and I would love to know what you think about it. I will talk to you guys very soon.
Wait.
Bye.
Wait.
Love you guys.